Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Bluesky social app. Now it's a very easy process. Firstly, you need to install the latest version of Bluesky, then open the application. So the interface will look something like this. It will look exactly like Twitter. So the first options that you will see at the very top is Discover and Following. So Discover is your normal feed, which you can see right over here. And in the following section, you will be able to see the content of the people that you have followed on the application, as you can see right over here. And now in the Discover section, you will find a small column where there are different type of interests, as you can see at the very top right over here. Now, over here, these are some relevant tags that you can again click on it to view the feed in this particular genre. So let's say, for example, if I want to see something from WWE, you can just simply click on that, and then it will give you all the posts of WWE, as you can see right over here. And that goes same for the different ones as well. As you can see right over here, there are many of them. And if you wish to remove this option, just simply scroll till the very end and click on this small X option. That should remove the option entirely. As you can see, it will give you a pop-up message and it will ask you, do you want to hide the trending topics? Just simply click on hide and the trending topics will be gone. Now after that, there will be a section at the very top left hand side corner, which is the 3-line option. If you click on that, you will be able to see more options. Over here, you will have your account name and few extra details like the first option, search option. If you want to search anything with keywords, you can do it right over here. As you can see, there are recommended keywords again for you. And if you want to search regarding a post, user or feed, you can directly do it over here in this tab. The next option is the home page, which you will be sent directly once you will open the application. Then the chat section, where you can chat with people if you have any contacts, or if you have any following, you can chat with them right over here in the section. Then you will have the notifications. If you have any notifications, you will be seeing right over here. Then you will have the feeds. So over here, you can change the type of feed that you're getting. So as you can see right over here in the feed section, you will get the small plus option. If you click on it, you can add things that you want to add. So this is the current feed that I have. And if you ever want to add any type of feed, you can search the feed right over here, or you can simply add them from right over here at the very bottom. As you can see, there are many types of feeds. So just click on the plus option and that will be added to your feed. If you scroll up and refresh the page, the feed has been added. And if you go back to your home page, the new type of content will be available right over here. So wait for a few seconds. And as you can see at the very top, the new feed has been added. Now, the next thing that you can see right over here is the list option. If you click on this option, over here, you will be able to see all the lists that have been shared with you. Or if you want to create a list of your own, click on the new option at the very top and create your own list. But make sure that you have already verified your email address. After that, you can create your own list right over here. And then you will have your profile option, where you will have details regarding your profile, the posts that you have made, the videos that you have liked, or your normal feed. It will be all available in your profile. And lastly, you will have the settings option. As you can see right over here, there are a few important settings that you can look over here. So if you go to the account section, you will also have the option to delete your account completely. Just simply keep that in mind. Now the next thing is the bottom menu right over here, where it's again the same as the side menu. You will have the search option right over here. You will have the message option right over here. Then the notification option. And then lastly, your profile. So now, if you want to follow or unfollow someone on your Bluesky application, all you have to do is just simply go to their profile like this, click on the name. Then the profile will open, as you can see. Then all you have to do is just simply click on the follow option right over here. And then if you want to unfollow someone, again, just simply click on the same option and the person will be unfollowed. Now, if you want to block any particular user, all you have to do is click on the 3 dots in front of that particular user. And then you will have the option of block account. Click on that option. And again, click on block, and the account will be completely blocked and you will not see any type of feed from that again. And if you wish to unblock it, you can click on the unblock option right over here, or you can go back to your settings by going to 3 lines over here, then settings, and after that privacy and security. After that, the moderation section, and inside this section you will have the option of blocked accounts. Click on it, and right over here you will have all the accounts that you have blocked. So click on the account and unblock it if you want to. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.